Good morning, guys. All right, welcome to C2TA. So in C2TA, we are creating a lot of frameworks, right? So last time we created one integrated framework where three tools we combined, Selenium, APM, and Rust Assured. This time we are just another project we have created with 8 different applications, like test leaf, um, Walmart, right? So like and bright orange serum like that we automated 8 different applications in one framework. So this video I'm just telling, I'm just going to explain what we did with 2 different applications in one framework. So this framework we are adding Selenium automation hybrid framework with Cucumber BDD. So we added the page object model, test engine, data driven for scenario outline. So we added this, this framework page of one we added. So we did this automation for two, very common sites. One is for Amazon and next one is for Book My Show. So both these applications we integrated one single framework. Then we executed the test cases. So this is our right. So let's go to IntelliJ now. Okay, so just I am not going to explain very detailedly, just a walkthrough of the application, what you are doing. Like if you have any requirement or anything need, you can ping us, always, right? So this the ID we use is for like IntelliJ. We didn't go for Eclipse this time. We made for IntelliJ. So let's go to the framework. So first, we have SRC main Java. We have, can we go to the automation folder? Can we go to the automation folder, please? We have config folder. Okay. Yeah, so in config folder, can you open the config? Okay, so can you just go to the config? So this is the basic config class where we have where we give the config property path, and we just have we I set a getter and setter for getting the browser URL, getting the um getting the path of the config property, getting the app URL, what environment, like that, all this, I use getter and setter for getting the property from the config.property file. I have just created one class and I kept here. Okay. Next one is class where we just set the getter and setter for the config.property file. Okay. You can just download this code also if you need, I'm just giving an overview here. Okay, how we use, so we give the config.property file, that path will give here this class. Next one is, can we go to constants? Okay, so this we have added this mobile automation also, execution type, we'll give the app path, existing app browser will give us. Next one is mobile platform, that is regarding with the APM, so that I'm not bringing here now as of now, since we are concentrating only on the Selenium automation now. Okay, next go to the lib folder. Lib folder, we have added all the we have added this APM lib also here, and the Selenium lib, rest lib also there. But I'm not going for the this one APM. I'm just going for the Selenium automation now. Okay, so this is a browser factory where we have added different browsers launched, like Chrome browser, Firefox browser, and in future we are planning to add test with the Edge browser. Okay, Opera, Safari, like we can headless browser, we can add it. So still, we can add multiple browsers here. So we are using Chrome options equal to new Chrome options. And just we are adding the arguments here. Okay. And we are downloading the drivers also and setting the drivers also here. So maximize window, So all these things are basic codes, whichever, whatever, you already know. Okay. Next one is, we'll go to Selenium lib. Can we go to Selenium lib? Fine. Okay, so we'll go to Selenium lib, where we have all the methods for the entire 2 applications, both Book My Show and for the for the Amazon we have created, all the reusable complete. Can you just go slowly, can you just slowly for enter, enter text, click that element, getting a string, for fluent wait, getting an attribute, so we have added, taking a screenshot, we have added, Okay, like getting a current window handle, we had rest just right, getting windows, like getting alerts, right? There is a huge right methods here, right? This right, this can be used for like we almost tested 10 different applications with this particular reusable method. This is a right, this is we did a lot of hard work in preparing this right, this method. Can you just scroll a little bit, scroll down, move forward? We have added a lot of methods here, right, in this right framework. We just, if you want, you can get this right. We have added this framework in the right now site, right? You can get use of it. So for the complete applications, 8 different applications, we have added a big framework here, right? You can get right use it. Okay, let's go to the util package now. We added a Pojo class for right rest assured, right, we have for right data, right setting, right Pojo also we have added. Okay, let's go to utility where we have daytime utility, right, Excel utility. Okay, so getting a timestamp in the report, right, you can get right, you can get it. So that for that we can right, we have set a daytime where we can get the right daytime in the right. Hours, minutes, and seconds format in here, MMYDD format, we can get it. Okay. Next one is Excel utility where we keep the Excel code. Okay. So for reading and writing in Excel, we have added right, so that we kept in the Excel utility. Okay. Next one is, can you go to loading utility? Okay, so this is right, right for loading, right, for right logger getting the seconds, right, for giving a wait time, right? We have added one class here. Okay, next one is we have added logger. Can you go to logger? Okay, so right logger, right, so right, so right for getting info, or right, right info, right, verifying, right, so we have added this logger also, right, hook scenario, the log, right, message pass, fail, warning, right, so we have added this right, when you get an error, verify an error, passing information in the logger. For that also we have added one class here, and we kept the framework here. Let's go to the SRC test now, and we added a hooks class also. Can you go to hook class? Okay, we have added a hook class also. Okay, yeah, right. So write this for setting the scenarios, adding a screenshot, right, right, and cleaning up the right screenshot, right. So for that we added a hook class also. Let's go to SRC test Java now. So as I told you, we have tested for 2 different applications. One is for Amazon, next one is for book my show, right? You see the 2 folders, right? One pages is one, first folder is for Amazon project, and second folder is for book my show. We integrated 2 frameworks, 2 applications here. Already we created one framework for 8 applications. This time we just thought of giving a demo for Amazon and book my show. Can you just go to the pages here? So I'm not teaching about page object model or test ng, right, or data driven framework. I'm not taking any class here. I'm just presenting our framework here. Okay, so the idea behind this right tutorial is to, I'm just presenting. I'm not right going in depth, right, what is page object model, what is that implementations, right. Right, I'm not this intent of this tutorial is to present, just tell, right, we are doing these things. I'm not going in a class level like video, like I'm just to explain what is reusable function and what is right frameworks or frames or windows. I'm not going in detail in that part. I'm just presenting the framework what we did. Okay, so we have added 5 pages. One is a card page, category page, home page, login page, and search page in the Amazon page. And we have called that 2 step definitions, cards, home page, right? 5 pages we have created in Amazon site. Okay, then we have had it go went to the right book my show. Okay, can you open any one step definition, please? Any one step definition. Can you go to login page and open the first login page and open that one in pages? Open the login page. This is a login page which we created, right? We located right with that find plantations. When we use the methods, we use the login method page, right? Created and called it also factory, right? And then we had this step definition also, corresponding login step definition. Can you go to login step definition? We have this, right? We call those right methods. Okay, that we called it. Okay. Now let's go to runner class. I'm just first execute the this book Amazon site. Let's first run the Amazon site. Okay. Just go to that. Just run. Can you run that Amazon site, please? Yeah. Now, right. It's logging in. Okay. Right. There's the search functionality. Okay. It's going to cart now. Right. It's going to add the cart now. Okay. Cart is added now. Okay. So this is how we run the right. So we have extend report also. So we have created an extend report also. Okay. So you can open the extend report also, right? We have generated extend report also for Amazon, right? With screenshot is going to take all the scenarios it's going to display. Okay. We have the Cucumber future file also. Can you just go to the Cucumber future file? We have Cucumber future file also. Okay. And we take screenshots, everything, right? You can see, right? We have this Cucumber feature field also. We have extend properties, we have common, right? Config, right? We have the right report, extend dot properties, right? So we have the entire setup, right, for this one. Okay. Then can we go to the right book my show and then run the book my show, please? Right. Just open the book my show pages, please. So here also, right, we have added 5 pages. Okay. Right, city page, events page, movie page, search page, and sports page. We have added the corresponding step definition for this one. Can you go to step definition, please? So we have the step definition also for this one. Okay. So and then we have the corresponding right runner file for book my show. Can you go to the book my show runner file, please? Can you just scroll down? Can you run that, please? Now. We have config property where we have to change the URL now. Okay, so instead of Amazon, I have to write run the book my show. Okay, so I'll go and run the runner class now. Okay, you can able to see the right browser, right, and the execution part you can see. Okay, so this is how, right, this is what we did. Okay, but still, right, we can automate the entire application also. We are planning for a lot of frameworks like Selenium Python, same thing with Selenium Python and REST 5 we are planning. Okay, shortly we'll be planning right Serenity, right, Cucumber framework also we are planning. Next one is right Protector also we are planning. So we are planning a lot of frameworks in the coming future. Let's say you can follow us, right, through our site. Okay, can we go to our site, please? Now you can go to C2TA co.in, right, co.in, right. I think it's already open the browser. You can go open the browser. It's already open. Yeah. Left side, right? You can go to C2TA co.in and you can go and click courses, right? Go and click courses, right? You should don't give com, right? There is a that site is not a good site, okay? But you can give the co.in, okay? That is our site, okay? So we have added a lot of courses, right? Manual testing courses here, okay? Right, manual testing test cases. We have added Flipkart test cases. We added sample resumes, okay? We have added Selenium automation framework, right? You can click this Selenium automation framework. Can you go scroll up? Can you click this Selenium automation framework? Okay, so we have tested this with 8 different applications, right? You can get the code. Can you just go come here? So we have added for 8 different applications here. Okay, and 8 frameworks. You saw just now for 2 applications, but this is framework is having the 8 different applications here. The complete framework report everything. Can you go to the curriculum, please? Can you not this one? Can you go back? Can you go back? Can you go to integrated framework? Can you scroll down? Scroll down, scroll down. There is one integrated framework. Can you go scroll down? Scroll up. And this for C2T integrated framework, right? This we have added for REST assured APM, right? We have added it. Okay, you can go to the curriculum and you can see the report, right? We are for this also we are preparing reports and we'll be adding. So you can see the right documentation of right what we did the framework, right? For the same also we will be adding shortly the documentation. Can you open any one document, right? Automation project document. So we added a document where you can see right the document also. Okay. So right you can write so this you should buy it, right? But you can open you have can you have in your machine automation document which the past which you did. Do you have?
No, sir. Yeah.
Okay, fine. Let's you can I'll show you. I'll share the document to you guys future. Okay. So this is what we did. Okay. So we have added right lot of documents right here, materials, contents, test cases. We're adding future. We're planning to add lot of frameworks also. So thank you. Thanks for watching. Okay. So hope to meet you soon. Thank you.